My name is Ryan Gavin, and I'm a graduate student at the University of Minnesota, where I just completed a master's degree working with Dr. Paul Porter. We were working on a data set that came from the Somalia Agriculture Technical Group, working with a group of around 100 farmers in the lower Shabelle region. Through our research, we were able to find that we could increase yields by anywhere from 70 to 110% using just a small amount of nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizers. And probably more importantly, that these yields translated into real income improvement and livelihood improvement for the farmers that we were working with. Using fertilizers is expensive up front, and it can sometimes be a difficult cost for small farmers to bear, especially in a place that doesn't have strong financial institutional support like Somalia. But in the end, these initial upfront investments paid out to the tune of an average of 114% increase in net revenue. And 114% increase is a doubling or a more than doubling of the income that a farmer would get from a single season. And that can make real differences for a farmer in terms of being able to make long-term improvements in their livelihood, like paying for education for their children. This was a really interesting project for me because agriculture and agricultural production is often seen as something that's really damaging to the environment. But some recent research in the ecological field has shown that closing yield gaps in Africa can actually be one of the most important things we can do to protect our natural resources. And one of the fastest ways to protect our natural resources and close these yield gaps in Africa is through targeted crop improvement efforts using fertilizers.